How to quit gambling, the deep psychology of breaking free. Do you ever find yourself saying, just one more bet, only to lose again? Do you feel stuck in a cycle where gambling controls your thoughts, your money, and your life? You're not alone. Gambling addiction isn't just about money, it's about psychology. Your brain gets rewired to crave the thrill, and breaking free can feel impossible. But today, we're going to dive deep into the psychology of gambling addiction, why your brain gets hooked, and most importantly, how to quit for good. If you're serious about taking back control, stay with me until the end. 1. The hidden psychology of gambling addiction. Gambling is designed to manipulate your brain's reward system, the dopamine trap. Every win releases a surge of dopamine, the brain's pleasure chemical, making you crave more. The near-miss effect, losing by a small margin, tricks your brain into thinking you're almost winning, keeping you hooked. Illusion of control. Your brain convinces you that your choices matter in chance-based games, like picking lottery numbers or choosing a slot machine. Variable rewards. Casinos and online gambling apps use unpredictable payouts. Sometimes you win, sometimes you don't. This randomness is the same trick that keeps people glued to social media and video games. How gambling affects your brain over time. Your brain adapts to high dopamine levels, making normal activities like hobbies, work, and socializing feel dull. Losses trigger a stress response, leading to chasing losses, betting even more to win back what was lost. Over time, you enter a compulsive gambling loop. Anticipation, gambling, short-lived excitement, loss, frustration, gambling again. 2. Breaking the addiction cycle. Step 1. Recognize your triggers. Gambling often isn't about money. It's an escape from boredom, stress, anxiety, or depression. Identify when you feel the urge to gamble. Is it after work? When you're alone? When you're stressed? Step 2. Replace gambling with healthier dopamine sources. Exercise, running, weightlifting, or even daily walks can naturally boost dopamine. Learning new skills, music, language learning, or creative hobbies can create new rewards. Socializing. Spending time with friends or joining support groups can provide emotional fulfillment. Step 3. Create psychological barriers. Block gambling sites and apps. Use website blockers or self-exclusion programs. Control your access to money. Limit credit card access. Give financial control to a trusted person. Avoid triggers. Stay away from casinos, betting shops, and environments that tempt you. 3. The long-term key to recovery. Shift your identity. Stop seeing yourself as a gambler. Instead, visualize your future self, a person who is in control, financially stable, and free from addiction. Develop delayed gratification. Gambling addiction is built on instant gratification. Train yourself to enjoy long-term rewards. Save money and watch it grow. Work towards personal or career goals. Find accountability and support. Join a support group like Gamblers Anonymous, GA, to connect with others facing the same struggles. Tell someone you trust, a friend, partner, or therapist, to keep you accountable. Therapy and professional help. Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, helps rewire your thought patterns and emotional triggers. If gambling has caused severe financial loss or emotional distress, professional help can guide you through the healing process. Breaking free from gambling isn't just about willpower. It's about understanding how your brain works and making real changes. If this video helped you, let me know in the comments. And if you're struggling, don't be ashamed to seek help. You're not alone. Hit like, subscribe, and let's work together towards a better future.